Hi there. Today we're going to show you how Harness Build Intelligence can save you a massive amount of time in building and delivering software. So what exactly is Build Intelligence? With Harness Build Intelligence, we remove the inefficiency of rebuilding everything from scratch by caching unchanged build tasks from previous builds. This means faster builds, less waiting time, and a more streamlined development process. With Harness Build Intelligence, we're tackling the inefficiencies of traditional build systems by intelligently knowing what to do and, more importantly, what not to do. Unlike other tools like GitHub Actions, which re-download, rebuild, and retest everything every time from scratch, Harness leverages advanced caching mechanisms to save time and resources. Let's see it in action using Kafka, a popular open source project written in Java. We're going to make a small change in our fork, then create a PR and commit it. This will kick off two parallel builds, one with Harness and one with GitHub Actions. With GitHub Actions, building Kafka can take a bit over 30 minutes. GitHub Actions must download every item, build every piece of code, and run every single test every time any code change is made, no matter if it's a simple string change like in our example or a massive refactor. This can get really expensive and time-consuming if you're trying to build and release several changes to your code base at the speed required by today's customers. Let's take a look at a better way to do this with Harness Intelligence in Harness CI. Harness's Build Intelligence significantly speeds up the build process by caching unchanged tasks from previous builds. In our example, Kafka uses Gradle for its build tasks, and we don't want some tasks to run again because they've already been run before. But which ones? This is what Build Intelligence does. It automatically caches the parts of the build that haven't changed since the last build, so it doesn't have to take the time to build it again. This results in a massive time saving compared to tools that don't cache these tasks. With Harness, not only do you get faster builds, our intuitive dashboards provide real-time insights into your build's performance. Here's our cloud savings dashboard, which highlights the cost savings and acceleration factors compared to other tools. Our dashboards offer detailed reports on efficiency, savings, and performance metrics, making it easy for you to track your progress and understand the value Harness delivers. Enough about dashboards. Our build is done. It finished in just 3 minutes compared to the over 30 minutes with GitHub Actions. Let's look at the savings on the stage level, as well as the steps in the pipeline to see what actually happened to get these savings. In our case, Harness skipped 100% of our tests because it knew our change didn't need to be tested as it was a small string change in our logging file. Our build cache was able to restore 25% from cache, saving a lot of the time in the build process. Of course, this will vary depending on what changes you're making to the code. Every change can be a little bit different. However, with everything cached, the time saving will get better the more it is used. In our case, using Kafka, Harness CI completed the build about 10 times faster than GitHub Actions. Imagine how many more iterations of your software you could build and test when your builds are this fast. Are you ready to transform your software development lifecycle, bringing more speed, security, and reliability to your developer experience? Visit harness.io to learn more about Build Intelligence and explore our detailed documentation at developer.harness.io. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please check out our YouTube channel for more like it.